Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Fishdom on your phone, which gives you unlimited amount of diamonds. So keep watching the video and I will show you exactly how to download for your mobile devices. It actually works and it's super crazy. Just keep watching, it's going to work for you. Basically, all you have to do in Fishdom++ is to simply type your desired amount of diamonds. You can type any amount of diamonds you want to get. Just go ahead and type it and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send into your account. After finishing, open your account, and now as you can see the exact amount of resources you typed it, just load it up. It is super easy and I'm going to show you guys how to download. All you have to do now is to simply head over the pinned comments down below. There I explain exactly where you can get Fishdom++. So just head over the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.